Hello everyone, I am Mukesh Rathkar. I teach mathematics subject in main branch Asian Public School, Rampur. In today's video, I am going to discuss about angle and its types and some other parts related to angle. When two rays meet at common end point, then an angle is formed. When two rays meet at common end point, then an angle is formed. It is denoted by this symbol and it is measured in degree. Let OA and OB are two rays where O is the end point for both rays OA and OB. So O is the common end point for both rays OA and OB. From figure we see that OA and OB, rays OA and OB meet at this common point O, then an angle AOB is formed. An angle can be written in three ways. From figure, it can be written simply angle O, R angle AOB, R angle BOA. Okay? O is the vertex of angle. From figure, O is the vertex of angle because an angle AOB is formed at this point O, and rays OA and OB are called arms of angle because from these two rays an angle is formed. Okay? Now classification of angle. Classification of angle. First is acute angle. Acute angle, an angle whose measure is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, called an acute angle. From figure, angle AOB is 45 degree. It is called an acute angle because it is greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Now, obtuse angle, right angle. After that, obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree. An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree is called right angle. Here, angle AOB is 90 degree, it is called right angle. Now, obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Here Suppose angle AOB is 120 degree, it is called obtuse angle because it is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Okay. Now straight angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. From figure, angle AOB is 180 degree, it is called straight angle. Because rays OA and OB meet at common point O. From this figure, we have angle AOB is 180 degree, it is called straight angle. Now, reflex angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree but less than 60 degree is called reflex angle. Angle AOB, from figure, angle AOB is equal to 10 degree. It is called reflex angle because it is greater than 180 degree but less than 60 degree. Now, complete angle. Complete angle. It is also known as whole angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 60 degree called complete angle. It is complete round. It is complete round or rotation around a point. It is complete round or rotation around a point. It is also known as full angle. Now some other parts related to angle. Complementary angle. Complementary angle. When sum of two angles is 90 degree. When sum of two angles is 90 degree, then two angles are called complementary angles. Okay. If x and y are two angles and their sum is 90 degree, then x and y are called complementary angles. We read x is complement to angle y and y is complement to angle x. Numerically, I can take let 30 and 60 degree are called pair of complementary angles because sum of these two angles is 90 degree. On adding these two angles, we get 90 degree. So 30 and 60 degree are pair of complementary angles. We read 30 is complement of 60 degree or 60 degree is complement of 30. I am taking one example for solving one question. If one angle is given, 30 degree. So for finding its complementary angle, we need to subtract this given angle from 90 degree. If one angle is given in question, if one angle is given 30 degree, so for finding its complementary angle, we need to subtract this given angle 30 from 90 degree. We get 60 degree. The 60 degree is the complement angle of 30 degree and 30 degree is complement angle of 60 degree. Now, next part, supplementary angle. Supplementary. If sum of two angles is supplementary, means if sum of two angles is 180 degree, then two angles are called pair of supplementary angles. If x and y are two angles and sum of x and y is 180 degree, then we can say that x and y are pair of supplementary angles. Numerically, 120 degree and 60 degree are called pair of supplementary angles because sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. So 120 degree and 60 degree are pair of supplementary angles. I am taking one example. If one angle is given 110 degree, so for finding its supplementary angle, we need to subtract this angle from 180 degree. We get 70. So 70 degree is supplement of 110 degree, 110 degree is supplementing the 70 degree. Now adjacent angle. Adjacent angles. When a pair of angles means two angles. When a pair of angles have a common vertex and one common arm and two arms and other two arms are opposite to this common arm, then that pair of angles are called pair of adjacent angles. Okay? Let here from figure, two angles are formed, angle AOB and angle AOC. These two angles are formed at common point O. So O is the common vertex for these two angles AOB and AOC. O is the common vertex for these two angles AOB and OC. Okay? Now, angle AOB is formed by two rays. Angle AOB is formed by two rays OA and OB. And angle AOC formed by two rays OA and OC. Here see that are making these two angles OA, then OA exists for both. OA is for both. Then OA is common for both angle. Okay, for making two angle AOB and AOC, OA is common. So OA is the common range for these two angles AOB and OAC. And other two rays OB and OC are opposite to this common range OA. So in this condition, angle AOB and angle AOC are pair of adjacent angles. Clear? Now linear pair side. Linear. If pair of angles are adjacent and two non-common are opposite to each other, here you see that OB and OC are non-common. Okay, if a pair of angles are adjacent angle and two non-common are opposite to each other, then that pair of adjacent angle will form linear pair. Okay, in condition of linear pair, sum of pair of adjacent angle will be 180 degree. Okay, means angle AOB from figure, angle AOB plus angle AOC is equal to 180 degree because they will form linear pair. Now at last, vertical equation. Vertically opposite. When two rays intersect each other at any point, then four angles are formed. From figure we see that when AB and CD intersect at a point O, then four angles are formed. Four angles: angle AOC, angle AOD, angle BOD, angle BOC. In which angle AOC and angle BOD, angle BOD are pair of vertical triangle. Angle AOC and BOD are pair of vertical triangle. Similarly, you can say that angle AOD and angle BOC are other pair of vertical triangle. Angle AOD and angle BOC are other pair of vertical triangle. I hope that you have understood angle and its types and some other parts related to angles. Thank you, and I am requesting to you subscribe and like this video